Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG brand front loader 7 kg DD motor, that's mean direct drive washer. This machine actually totally machine is dead. It's not working at all. Now I'm going to troubleshoot the problem. What is the exactly problem? This is actually might maybe current, the power not supplying to the machine. Otherwise this is you can see here a touch panel. This touch panel most probably we are occurring this is the problem, main problem actually. This model this touch power button not working. Now anyway we have to check properly what is the exactly problem, and we will go to the checking process. Now I already given power connection. Now you can see here it's nothing actually. It's not working at all. Now we have to remove the top cover. After that we have to check power supplying to the machine or not. That's mean 220 230 power it should come to the machine. Now after that we can check. I will remove the back here 2 screws. And now we can take it up, take it out. Now you can see here the control board, everything. Now I will remove this power supply cable here to the filter. Now we have to check 230 power. Now I'm going to check here 230 power supplying or not. You can see here it is 230 power already supplying to the machine. I selected 250 volts. It is already supplying. Now we will remove the power control box, otherwise PCB. After that we have to check this touch panel. After that only we can identify what is the exact problem. Now we have to remove detergent drawer here. After that here 2 screws are here. Now here we have to remove the lock here. Now after that we can take it out. Here this lock not came. Here like that, it's very easy. Now you can see here. Now we will disconnect harness assemble from the control board. Don't forget, you have to disconnect the power line while you are working with the power. It's very careful. You have to do the job. Now it's okay. I already removed. Now we will remove the main control board here, and here screws. Now we can take it out control board. Now you can see, dear friends, I already removed the control board. This one already here it is because of the moisture 100%. This one not, this one already got damage. Also here cover, this one also here already carbon gone here everywhere, but this one especially it's gone. Now I will do one thing, I will give the power connection again and we will check. It is this touch, this is gasket. We are normally telling touch gasket. This one working or not, we have to give the power connection and we will check separately. We have to connect properly this one, harness all the connectors properly. After that we will give the power connection and we will check. We will keep like that. I already given power connection. You can see here it is already power is there. That means control board it should work. Now we will check here the touch gasket here. I am using my tester. It should work. If it is this one already damaged, this one also we have to change now. This one not working. You can see it's not working actually. After giving power, if it is damaged, this one don't touch. The 230 power will come to your body. Because of that, very careful, don't touch this one. And it's not working actually. We will do one thing. It came out also. That area already got damaged. Now you can see here. That means this board okay. This gasket we have to change. Also touch panel, it's already got damage here. We are not able to repair here. It's too much damage. Because of that, this one also we have to change. Now this one we will repair. This one we will change. After that, we will change the front panel and we will see. Now I'm going to repair this power button, otherwise touch button, power switch. We have to remove here. Some glue is there. This glue we have to remove slowly, very careful. If you are not able to find out this buttons, the gasket, you can remove very slowly. Most they are not customer not using. Here we can remove time delay, otherwise temperature we can remove and we can fix here, but I'm not going to do that. I'm fixing another one. We have to stick little bit here, otherwise it will come out. Because of that I'm using this glue. Don't put too much glue. After that this will not touching. I have in the gasket, I will fix here. It's like that we can fix. Now we can check if it is whether working or not. Now again I have to give the power connection and we will check. Now we will touch here. You can see, dear friends, it is working now. That means this touch gasket is okay. Now we will fix with new. I already ordered new front panel. This is the panel, new one. You can see here. This panel is same. This one new panel. I can fix. I have to fix anyway because this one not working. We are not able to repair also. Because of that, this customer also very hurry. I have to hand over to him very quickly. Because of that, I am replacing this panel. After that, our job will be finished and we will check after replacing panel. Now I have to disconnect again connector from the control board. After that, we can replace new front panel. Now again I have to disconnect all the connectors. Now it's okay, I remove already. Now I'm going to fix with the new panel. Here it will come this position, and you have to check twice the touch gasket, otherwise this touch buttons are okay all. And I'm going to fix now. And here you have to press. So like that this will come. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix all the screws. Now it's okay. I all the screws. Now we will check with again I have to fix all the connectors, the panel. Now it's okay. Now I will fix again connectors. Now it's okay. Now we will fix temporary here. Now it's okay. Now I have to give power connection. I already given power connection. Now we will touch this one. Yes, my dear, it is okay. You can see. Yes, it is working properly. No any issue. Now it's okay. Now it's working properly. Now I will select here spin cycle. Now I will check all the buttons. It should work. Yes, my dear, it is already completed. The machine also running because I already selected direct spin cycle. Now my job already completed. Now I have to refix again as same before. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.